Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles using a simple method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite fruit like berries or mango for a vibrant flavor. Next, grab about 1/2 cup of liquid such as orange juice or water to help with blending. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Finally, have your popsicle molds and sticks ready for the next steps. This easy approach ensures delicious results every time. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to blend them into a smooth, delicious mixture. Place all your fruit, liquid, and sweetener into a blender and process until it's completely smooth. Give it a quick taste test to ensure the flavor and sweetness are just right for you. Once perfected, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds. Remember to leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top of each mold to allow for expansion during freezing. With your molds filled, it's time for the freezing magic to happen. Gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure the sticks are straight so your popsicles are easy to hold. Carefully transfer the molds to your freezer, ensuring they remain upright. For optimal results, let them freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours. Freezing them overnight for about 8 hours will guarantee they are perfectly solid and ready to enjoy. Your delicious homemade popsicles are now ready to be enjoyed. To easily release them from their molds, run warm water over the outside of each mold for about 15 seconds. This helps loosen the frozen treat. Then, gently pull the stick, and your perfect popsicle should slide right out. Enjoy your refreshing, healthy, and homemade treat immediately. If you have any left, store them in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.